Good morning, YouTube. Hello from frigid Wisconsin. It's about 0 degrees. It's January 2nd, and we are going to do 2 cold starts this morning. The first is going to be a 2009 Jeep Commander. This was started, I think, yesterday or maybe the day before. And the second is going to be a 1969 Ford F250. Well, let's do the Jeep first. It sounds cold. The dinger is making a funny noise. Let's see what happens. Well, that was pretty slow, but it started. I think the battery is going bad. We'll have to take a look at that later. Let's crank the heat up because we're going to go for a ride a little bit later. Alright. So that was the Jeep. Started, but slow. Next up is this 1969 Ford F250. This will be the coldest temperature that I've ever attempted to start it in. Bought this truck about 2 months ago, maybe 3 months ago, and really haven't done much with it. It's been about a month since this thing has started. Let's see what happens. Let's see if I have the keys in my hand. Yes, I do. It is cold in here. Now, the last time I took it to town, which was about a month ago, the brakes went out on me, so I have no brakes. As you can see, no brakes. Well, let's see what happens. Make sure the parking brake is on. We'll take it out of gear so I can do this one-handed. We'll, let's see, pull the choke out probably halfway. We'll pump it 5 times and push in the clutch for good measure and turn the key. Cross your fingers. Oh, I think the starter's frozen or something here. That didn't sound too good. Oh, there it goes. It did that to me once before. Let's pump it a couple more times. Try it again. Come on. There. Oh! We had some life. Yeah! Oh, come on. Yeah! Got oil pressure. Excellent. I didn't think it was going to start. I am very happy. Let's push the choke in a little bit so it idles down. Oh, that might have been too much. Well, a little bit more. We're going to let this warm up because I think maybe today I'll get the brake parts and fix the brakes, even though it's cold. Let's see if it stalls out and let the clutch out. Almost, come on. There we go. Excellent. This thing's loud. It's cold. Alright, YouTube. Have a good day. Talk to you later.